Hello guys, let's create a procedural surface material for a planet. It's very simple. I used UV sphere as a mesh and I created material with some various textures. Also I used principal BSDF and emission BSDF as material nodes. As you see, I got this cool looking material with real physical surface deformations. I didn't use any photo or map file for that, and I got this. You have endless possibilities with nodes, as you know, so you can create endless shapes and endless surface deformations. Okay, let's jump in the shader editor, and let's check our surface material. Let me stop this animation. As you see, it's very simple setup. Let's zoom in and see closer. Yeah, as you see, I use noise texture and Voronoi texture connected stereo to each other, and I use two pieces of color amp nodes connected to Voronoi texture, then one for principal BSDF for the normals, for real physical surface deformations with the bump node. The other one is the emission. As you see, I didn't change so much the base color material, base color. I just use emission value and the color. I just changed. Also, as I told you, I added emission node, the shader node, emission shader node, the principal BSDF, and as you see, and I have mixed them with mix shader. You can also add another details by adding other texture nodes to any parameter, the roughness, also color, base color, emission strength. You can do that. It's all about your imagination, This is our basic node setup for a simple material with physical surface deformation. Actually, I don't like to use any photo or file for surface deformation lookings as much as I can. So sometimes I have to use for a specific thing if I want to create. But I like nodes, the procedural creation, geometry and material. So I just use this one and I created this material. Let's check it out again. So let's look closer. Can change. You see, it's nice. You can apply some color ramp also to emission, and you can check it out again. Yeah, I have added, but as you see, only for the darken and lighten. See, you can add more slider. Also, let's change the color. For example, let's make it red. As you see, we have different textures here, texture coloration. As you see, let's also connect this to the color. It's gonna, sorry, yes, yeah, you see. Let's add another one. No, too much. Let's add another one. Pick that one. Let's make it green. Let me darken it. As you see, let's disconnect its strength and we adjust it manual. As you see, it became a star. Let's, yeah, you see. Let's shrink the white and let's make it a little yellowish. As you see, and some, we darken the, yeah, we darken the green. As you see, it's nice. So it's all up to you. You can create, let's darken it a little bit more. Yeah, also you can darken the red one. See, you just imagine and do whatever you want to do. So here's our material. Just by adding a couple of more sliders and colors, we turn it into the star looking space object. You see, you can do it whatever you want. Alright folks, so if you find the content useful, please like and subscribe. So thanks for watching and thanks for your support in advance. So take care, see you later.